Hi friends, Sarah here with Sara Olmsted Bags, helping you find fun and functional solutions for your lifestyle. So today I am going to do a product demo on the New Horizon tote. So this is a great tote that can be used for multiple occasions. It's a big tote. You can see, look at how wide that is. This is canvas material, so this would be great for like a beach bag, a pool bag, sports bag if you got to carry a lot of stuff, but also great for traveling for if you need to fold something up into your luggage and carry it so you have an extra bag. This would be great for when you go to the market. But what's pretty cool about this bag, so you can see it's kind of like square on both sides. So you have the choice of these short handles where if you want to carry it this way, or you have these shoulder straps if you want to carry it this way. So it's pretty cool. The straps are canvas also. This right here is the Caribbean weave. This print, there are two other prints to choose from. This runs for $60. On the inside, you have a lobster claw, which is awesome for a big bag to sit and attach your keys or anything else you might want to hook to it. It also has nice little tie straps. So if this is full, like if you fill it up with a whole bunch of towels, you can sit and close it this way. Otherwise, it's wide open. And then you also have a zipper pouch right here on the inside. Otherwise, wide open, easy to go, carry along, fun bag, perfect for the summer and all those trips or pool trips or beach trips that you have planned. So if you want more information, make sure you check all the information out below. If you like these product demos, make sure you subscribe. But otherwise, thank you for watching.